Children, today we are going to see for class 4th, that is page number 83, term 1, unit 1 lesson, let us build. Okay, so this is based on the singular and plural. What is singular and what is a plural? See the definition here. A naming word which is used for one person or thing. So a person or a thing is called a singular, that is one. ஒன்னுன்னா நம்ம ஒருத்தர், ஒரே ஒரு பொருளை குறிக்கிறதோ ஒரு ஆளை குறிக்கிறதோ என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க, சிங்குலர்னு சொல்லலாம். What is plural? A naming word which denotes more than one person or a things. So more than one-னா ஒன்றுக்கு மேலே இருக்கவங்க, அதிகமாக இருக்கவங்க. So you call it as a plural. Okay, so this is the definition for the singular plural. Come, let's see the examples what is given for the singular and plural with the pictures. See here, one singular. Singular means single means one. Yeah, so it is a bat. Bat is a name of a thing. Name of a thing. Name of a person, place, things என்றது நம்ம எப்போ லேர்ன் பண்ணியிருக்கோம், எந்த கிராமர் நேமில் லேர்ன் பண்ணியிருக்கோம் டெஃபினேஷன்? நவுன். is it? A noun is a, what is a noun? A noun is the name of a person, place, thing, animal. Isn't it? So, அந்த இதை பேஸ் பண்ணி name of a thing and a person, a single, that is one. One name, one person or a thing, you call it as a singular. So, இப்போ இங்கே என்ன இருக்குது? What is here? Bat. What is a bat? What it is? Denotes it is a thing, பொருள் இல்லையா? So இங்கே how many bats are here? Only one bat is here. And see here, it is more than one. It is more than ஒன்றுக்கு மேற்பட்டு இருக்கிறதுனால அது என்னன்னு சொல்லுவோம்? What do you say for that? It is a plural. ஒருக்கு அதிகமாக இருந்தால் என்னன்னு சொல்லுவோம் நம்ம? ப்ளூரல். ஸோ அப்போ அந்த வேர்டு வந்து சிங்கிளாக இருந்தால் பேட்டுன்னு யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். இப்போது மோர் தென் ஒன்னாக இருந்தால் பேட்ஸுன்னு யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். கேன் யூ ஏபிள் டு see the difference? See here? Yes. What you are adding? If it is more than one, plural formல இருந்தால் yes ஆட் பண்ணுறீங்க. What you are adding? Yes. Okay? ஸோ எல்லாத்துக்குமே எஸ் ஆட் பண்ணுமா அப்படின்னு கேட்டிங்கன்னா நோ. ஸோ தேர் இஸ் அ டிஃப்ரெண்ட் திங்ஸ். I'll teach you for each and everything what should be added. Okay, see the next exercise. Some tips to change a singular to plural. So some of the things to be changing from singularலேருந்து pluralக்கு மாற்றணுன்னா என்ன பண்ணணும்? What you should add? What are the things to be added? So simply add yes. So change the singular to plural வரும்போது என்ன பண்ணுறீங்க? நம்ம s ஆட் பண்ணுறோம். ஸோ டு த நேம் ஆஃப் அ திங். ஸோ வாட் இஸ் த cup? What is the word cup? Can you say the spelling for cup? C-U-P. Cup. See here, cups. So because it is a singular form, you tell it as a cup. And if here it is more than one, you call it as a plural. In the plural form, you will write that as cups. So என்ன ஆட் பண்ணுறீங்க இங்கே? எஸ் ஆட் பண்ணுறீங்க. What you are adding? Yes is added. See here, ball, balls. So ball, what is the spelling for ball? B-A-L-L, ball. So if it is a singular means ball. ஒரே ஒரு பால் இருந்தான்னா நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்லுவோம்? நம்ம பால்னு சொல்லணும். If it is more than one means what do you say? Balls. So what you are adding there for the plural form? Yes. Yes is added for the plural form. See the next thing. Add es. So first we have seen add yes. Add yesன்றது நம்ம பார்த்தோம். இப்போ நம்ம add es வந்து எதுக்கெல்லாம் நம்ம ஆட் பண்ணுவோம்? So this it is also a type of a singular form. And where to add? Okay, come let's see to it. Add es for the naming word ending with ch, sh, yes, ss, x. So naming word அன்னும் பொழுது ஸோ அந்த எண்டிங் வேர்டு அந்த முடிகிற எழுத்தில் வந்து சிஹெச்ஓ எஸ்ஹெச் எஸ் டபுள் எஸ் எக்ஸ்ன்னு இருந்ததுன்னா வாட் யூ மஸ்ட் ஆட்? இஎஸ் ஷுட் பி ஆடட். சி ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் டார்ச். So it is a singular form, you are written as a torch. So what is the ending letter? CH. So நம்ம TH add பண்ணால் வந்தால் என்ன பண்ணணும் நம்ம? What you must add? ES should be added. So it is more than 1. So you are adding as a CES. So CHES. Torches. TORCHES. ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி எண்டிங் வேர்டில் நம்ம இங்கே பார்த்த மாதிரி CHO, SH, S, SS, X. So if it comes means you must write ES. See here next, brush. What is the ending letter? SH. So what you must add there? ES. Brushes. Okay. So here it is a singular form. You are telling as a brush. Here it is more than 1. So you are writing as a brushes. So when you should add ES means when the last letter ends with the SH means you should add ES. So last letter SH end ஆச்சுன்னா என்ன பண்றோம் நம்ம ES add பண்றோம். So see the next one. Yes. See here, what is this? Bus. Singular form means you are telling us a bus. So last letter S la வந்து நம்ம என்ன add பண்றோம்னு நான் முதல்ல சொன்னேன் நானு ES should be added. So what you are writing, if it is more than 1, bus ன வந்து more than 1 அதிகமா இருக்கும் பொழுது நம்ம எப்படி அதை pronounce பண்ணுவோம்? Buses னு சொல்லுவோம். அதுக்கு ஸ்பெல்லிங் வந்து என்ன சொல்வோம்? BUS ES. So S வந்து நம்ம என்ன add பண்றோம்? ES add பண்றோம். See the next one, glass. Glasses. See here double S வருது. அந்த double S வரும்பொழுது நம்ம என்ன add பண்ணணும்? ES add பண்ணணும். So if it is a singular form means glass. If it is a more than 1 plural form means glasses. See the next one, box. Singular form means box. Boxes. So you are adding ES. Okay, so this is how, these are the examples for adding ES. So we'll recap. So what are the thing? ES means when to add ES. See here, torch means CH. When the word ends with the CH means you are adding ES. See here, torches. See the next one, bus. What is the last letter? S. When the last letter ends with the S means what you must write? ES. See here the next one, brush. Brush, the last letter ends with an SH. Isn't it? So what you are adding there? ES. SH, ES. You are adding as ES. See here next, SS. The letter which ends with an SS means you should add ES. See here the word which ends with an X means we are adding as a ES. Come, let's see the next thing. See the next exercise. Simply add S if any one of the A, E, I, O, U. What is this? A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. These are all vowels in alphabets. In alphabets, how many letters are there? 26 letters. From the 20 there are 2 types of alphabets, isn't it? So what are the 2 types of an alphabet? One is a vowel, another one is a consonant. So what is a vowel? Vowel is a E, I, O, U. Yeah. So these are the 5 letters are called as a vowel. So what is the remaining letter? You call it as a consonants. What are the remaining letters? You call it as a consonants. Here when the if any one of the A, E, I, O, U comes before the Y, அதாவது Y க்கு முன்னாடி A, E, I, O, U ஏதாவது வந்ததுன்னா vowels வந்தா what you must add? S should be added. Okay, for example, see here, key. What is the letter before the Y? Y க்கு முன்னாடி என்ன இருக்கு? Before E is there. So E is a kind of a vowel. So in the 5 letters la ஏதாவது ஒரு letters Y க்கு முன்னாடி வந்ததுன்னா what you must add? You should add as yes. So before the Y, if a vowels comes, what you must add? Y. See here, toy. T-O-Y, toy. What is before the letter of Y? It is a O. O is a vowels. So what you must add? Yes. Okay. So even for the boy, B-O-Y, boy, it is not given here. I am telling you extra example. Okay. So boy means what is the before letter? O will be coming. Before Y, O is there. So you will be adding as a yes. See the next one. Change the Y into IES. So next you are going to change the Y. If the last letter ends with the Y means what you must write? IES. If any one of A, E, I, O, U does not come before Y, so அதாவது A, E, IOU வராமல் இருந்ததுன்னா yக்கு பிஃபோரா, அதாவது நம்ம லாஸ்ட் டைம் பார்த்தோம் இல்லையா, வராமல் இருந்தால் மட்டும்தான் என்ன பண்ணணும், y வந்தால் IES ஆட் பண்ணணும். இஃப் எனி vowel comes before the yக்கு முன்னாடி ஏதாவது ஒரு vowel வந்ததுன்னா you should add only yes. IES ஆட் பண்ணக்கூடாது. சரிங்களா? நான் சொன்னேன் இல்லையா, இந்த AEIOUன்றது vowels. இந்த vowels தவிர மீதி இருக்க letters, what do you call it as a consonant? If it comes means you can take this Y and add IAS. Okay, come let's see the examples what is given. Lady. What is a before Y? What is a letter comes before Y? D. D வந்து it is not there in the vowel, so it is a consonant. அப்போ immediately you should take out this Y and write IES. Okay, see the next one. Baby. 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 What is the letter comes before the Y? B. B is a consonant. So you are writing as a IES. What you are adding? IES. You are taking out this Y and you are adding as a IES. Baby, babies. Lady, ladies. Okay children, come let's see some examples. What are the given here? Exercises given. Tick the correct plural form. So what is this? Fly. So what is it? What is the letter comes before the Y? Y before what is it? L. L is a, is it a L is a vowels or a consonant? Consonant. So what you should come before Y? IES. See here which is the right answer here? Here is the right answer. Put a tick. Okay. See the next one, bench. So if the word ends with a CH means what you should add? ES should be added. So this is the right answer. Okay, see the next, dog. DOG, dog. It is a name of an animal, isn't it? So what you must add? DOGS, dogs. Let's see the next one, bush. What is the last letter given here? SH. If the last letter word ends with an SH means what you should write? ES. So this is the right answer. Bushes. BUSH. If the last letter of the word ends with an SH, CH, SS, S means, and even X, then you should add this ES. Okay, see the next one, boy. So what is the last letter? Y. Before Y, what is the letter is given? O. O is a kind of a vowel. So vowel vanda Y ku munnadi enna pannanom? What you must write? Which is the right answer here? Yes. BOYS. Vowels. If the vowels comes before the Y means you should write only add yes. So this is the right answer. See the next one, fox. Fox means X, ends with an X. So what you must write? Foxes. Okay, so this is the right answer. X end achina, you should write ES. Okay, so these are the exercise given. See the next one, you are going to write what is the right answer. Write the plural form. So what is a plural form? So what is a plural form here? What is the first one? Cat. So what you must write? Cats. So what you should write? Cats. TS. Yes, you are adding. Yes. What you are adding? Yes. Next, second one, watch. Watch. What is the last letter of the watch? CH. If it comes CH means what you must add? ES should be added. Okay. See the third one, dish. What is the last letter for the dish? SH. SH means what you must add? ES. What you are going to add? ES. See the next one, cherry. Cherries. What is that? Cherries. Okay, so you are taking out this Y and writing IES. What you are adding? IES. Clear? Is it clear, children? Thank you.